How to turn on or turn off call bearing, international calls, except home on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the phone app. Next, tap on the more button at the top. This will bring up the menu and then tap on the settings on the menu. From here, we scroll down and then tap on supplementary services. Next, tap on call bearing, and in the outgoing calls section, tap on international calls except home. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Now, depending on your network carrier, they may block you from using this feature directly on your phone. Instead, you may need to call them up and ask them to manually switch it on or off. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.